The 7 best Android apps to add special effects to videos. Want to take your smartphone videos to the next level? A great start is adding some effects to your videos. The Google Play Store has a number of apps available to let you add all sorts of effects. You don't need a full suite of editing software like Adobe Photoshop, you can add reverb, echo, and other cool effects with just a few taps. If you want to add a wide range of effects to your videos, then Glitch Video Effects is a great option. Aside from video effects, it can add cool effects to photos. 2. Handily. Glitch Video Effects lets you record videos, or take photos, in-app. You can share your creations instantly via a share button. Glitch is a feature-rich app for effects. You can toggle at screen tap mode, which applies the chosen effect just by touching anywhere on the screen. The app features more than 50 effects, as well as filters on the source material for even more zany effects. You can then save your videos and photos to your phone for use later. If you want to add more than one effect, you can simply load up a video with an effect already added. Then add more. You've probably heard of Adobe's Premiere video editing software. As the name suggests, it's for creating and editing movie footage. The full app is pretty complicated, though, especially if you're new to adding effects to videos. Premiere Rush is a lighter version of the app designed for quick edits. Simply drop your videos into the editing pane and you can add music and effects. The app also supports adding text balloons to your videos, as you might have seen YouTube video creators do. This is why we've named it as one of the best video editing tools for YouTube. In order to create and edit YouTube videos, you'll need the right tools. Here are the best video editing apps for YouTube. The app also has a range of effects to add to your videos. As you'd hope for, these are accessible via Adobe Premiere Rush's side menu. You can add text, change colors, and add filters, all of which will make your videos look a bit more professional. VivaCut is a powerful video editor that's an excellent option for getting your TikTok videos up to scratch. You can use the app to add cool effects to your videos and help them stand out. Once you've recorded your video, you can import it into the VivaCut app and get busy adding effects. The app offers a wide range to choose from. One cool feature is a VHS filter, which gives your videos a retro look. You can add transitions between scenes, and even blend videos together to get some really neat effects. One of our favorite tools is the chroma key feature. This allows you to record a green screen video and then layer it over your chosen background. This can make you look like you are anywhere, and is limited only by your imagination. If you want to add snowflakes, rain, or fire to your videos, Video Show is a great place to start. It's an all-in-one video editor that has a range of cool features to help you add effects to videos. You can use Video Show to edit your videos down to an appropriate length. Once you've trimmed it, you can start adding the effects. This is as simple as a tap on the FX menu. With that open, you can view all of the cool effects available. The list of options is far too long to go into here. However, you can select from manga-style effects, add neon lights to your videos, or even add cool action elements. Take a closer look to add music, sound effects, text, GIFs, and so much more. Video Show is a great app if you want a ton of options. While Action Director might not offer a huge range of effects to add, it's still one of the best quick video editing apps available. It's easy to use, the interface is simple, and you can still add effects to videos, just not many of them. What makes Action Director such a great app is its ability to shoot in 4K. This is great if you're putting together videos with high detail or a lot going on. For videos with lots of action, You might want to slow down or speed up certain elements. That's possible with Action Director. This is thus a great app if you want to record your friends on skateboards or free running. For example, slowing down the frames means you can catch your pals performing sweet tricks. Then give it a cinematic look and feel. Funimate Video Editor is perfect for beginners. Thanks to its simple interface and reduced feature set, you won't make the next Hollywood blockbuster with it. But if you just want to add some little effects to your video clips, this is a great place to start. With Funimate, you can import existing videos and add effects. It's a really easy app to understand, so you don't have to worry about complex options when starting out. It has multi-layer editing so you can add depth to your creations. This, along with the ability to utilize color effects, text, and music makes this app ideal for making little social videos. The best part is the ability to edit on the go. Just snap your friends on a shopping date. Make a cool video and pop it on Instagram for everyone to see. InShot is a great app that's ideal for creating videos for your social media feeds. It has basic video timeline editing, which allows you to add effects to your video at specific moments. You can also switch the effects off in the same way. It includes a range of effects to add to your videos. These include a mosaic effect, VHS filters, color filters, and much more. Additionally, InShot optimizes your saved videos for use on social media. That way, you know that your videos will fit within the restrictive frames present on Instagram and similar apps. InShot is fun to use and can give your videos that extra touch to make them stand out against others. Whether you want to snip, clip, and chop your videos, or just add some simple text to your moving images, there are plenty of Android apps to add effects to your videos. All of the apps above are simple to use and are great for beginners and pros alike. If you want to delve more into actually editing the videos, take a look at the best video editors for Android. Looking for the best video editor for Android? Here are the best video editing apps for Android users. Text source, makeuseof.com.